In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Niyo Global account. This process can sometimes seem daunting, but rest assured, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to wrap it up smoothly. Let's dive in and ensure you have all the information you need to proceed confidently. First and foremost, when it comes to closing your Niyo Global account, the key step is reaching out to their team directly. Unlike many other services that may offer an easy online cancellation process, Niyo requires you to communicate with them personally. This ensures that your account is securely and accurately closed. So, where do we begin? Head to the Niyo Global website at goniyo.com. Once you're there, it's important to navigate the site correctly to find the closure options. On the home page, you'll want to look for the menu that often houses extra options, commonly referred to as More. This is your navigation hub for finding additional services Niyo offers, including how to get in touch with them. Once you spot More, give it a click. Don't worry if this takes a couple of tries to find. Websites do update their layouts from time to time, but typically this area is where it's located. From here, the next step is equally straightforward. You need to click on Contact Us. Clicking on this will bring up all the ways you can communicate with Niyo's support team. Keep in mind that communicating with customer service is crucial for ensuring that your request is documented and properly handled. After you click on Contact Us, you'll find a variety of contact options available. Niyo offers several methods to reach out, so you can choose one that best suits your preference and convenience. Whether you're more comfortable with sending an email, making a phone call, or perhaps starting a live chat if available, the option is yours. This flexibility allows you to choose a communication method that best fits your schedule and comfort level. Now, an important tip to consider when you're in the process of closing your Niyo Global account is to have all your account details on hand. This includes your account number, any relevant identification, and information about your account activity. Being prepared with this information will make the communication process with Niyo much smoother and more efficient. Bear in mind that although contacting them may seem like an extra step, it's an important part of the process to ensure that your account is securely closed. So, there you have it, a straightforward approach to ending your association with Niyo Global. Just a few simple steps and some communication with their team, and you'll be able to mark this task off your to-do list. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.